Hello friends, I hope everybody is doing good. Have you ever been in a situation where you have struggled to get your dream job or job for your living, or you landed as a new immigrant in a foreign country on a student visa or permanent residency and struggled to get a job? You have tried all your skills, tricks and techniques to get a job, such as applying for jobs on all job portals, requested your friends for references, prepared a new resume, or tried learning new interview techniques, but unfortunately nothing worked out for you. Now you all must be wondering why I am talking about all these things. The reason I'm doing it because I can relate myself in a similar situation 5 years ago when I landed in Canada as a new immigrant on permanent residency and I was struggling to get a job. The objective of my channel, The Global Recruitment Expert, is to help everyone to come out of any such situation so that you can all get your dream job in your desired field or domain. So let me introduce myself to all of you. My name is Pawan Kumar and I am a co-founder and CEO of EasyHiringSolutions.com, a place where I help people to get their dream job by helping them in placing them with different clients and also help businesses in serving their recruitment needs. I have over 19 years of staffing and recruiting experience in all facets of industries and have hired and interviewed more than 10,000 candidates across all skills for India and global clients in my entire career. And the journey is still on. So being a global recruitment expert, I know the trick of the trade. The main goal and objective of my channel, being a global hiring recruitment expert from Easy Hiring Solutions, is to help everybody to get their dream job, whether you are a professional or a student recently landed in country such as Canada. In my videos, I will be covering the topics such as how a foreigner can get a job in Canada, how can students get a job in Canada, how to prepare effective resume, how to match skills with the job description of any opening, importance of job description on different jobs, how to get into the ATS of any employer. ATS is applicant tracking system of any employer to get an interview call, how to prepare effective cover letter, which job portals are best to get jobs in India and Canada. And there is many more which are all related to helping you to get your dream job. The benefit that you'll be able to get by utilizing my vast experience and skill by using the tricks and techniques shared by me is that you'll be able to apply effectively for any job and will be able to get an interview call from the employer, ultimately getting your dream job. There will be more to it which I will be capturing from time to time. This is just my introduction video about me being a global hiring recruitment expert and help you out in getting a job for yourself. If you want to learn the trick and technique to get your dream job in Canada or in India easily and quickly, then hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first to know when I will upload my new video. Let's do it together. In my next video, very soon I'll be covering the first topic, how foreigners can get a job in Canada, followed by other important job related topics. You can also apply for current open position in India and Canada on my company website, that is easyhiringsolutions.com. Please do remember to put in the comments below what one important topic that you want me to cover regarding interviews and getting a job. I would love to know and I am looking forward to see you in the comments. Thank you very much and see you all in my next video. Thank you.